Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the scenario based Power BI interview question which is asked in interview. So we can see what's the question. Suppose you are working on a migration team and the client has created an expression in Tableau using a static target value. They have asked you to optimize this expression while developing the report in Power BI. How would you approach this? So basically, client have created a static value while developing a Tableau dashboard. So they are asking us, like, how would you approach this while developing in Power BI? The same report when we are migrating in Power BI, how we would be approaching this? So we can give the solution. So we can see how we can resolve this issue. The data, this is the sample data which I have taken. Region wise sales I have taken here. So here we have the region, here we have the sales. So here the static value which I have taken here is, I am explaining it in Power BI how we can attain that problem. The static value which they have given here is target value as 50K. They are using this target value in a variance. So they are taking the sales, sum of sales minus target. So target is this static value. So when we are taking this here, it is giving us the difference between the sales minus target. Sales minus target, it's giving the variance difference as this much. So if it is a positive value, it is exceeding the target. If it is a negative, it is like we haven't attained our target which we have fixed. So this is what they have developed in Tableau. The same we have developed in the Power BI. But we need to find out. We need to figure out what is the optimized way, because when we are giving the same report to client, what they need to do is they need to open this pbx file, and then they need to go to target. If they want to exceed this target level as 60, they need to increase like this. They need to go to the measure, they need to update the value here, and they need to see the result. And again, one more thing is they need to publish here. So it is not the optimized way, right? So what we can do is, first we can in the while developing itself, go to transform data, click on transform data, go to manage parameter here, click on new parameter. So here you can type the name as target and type as decimal value. Currently we can give it as 50 we can give, and click on OK. So it will generate a parameter here. But this parameter, it should display in a front level, right? Where suppose, if you can see here, it created a parameter. I need to pick this value while calculating the variance calculation, right? So for that purpose, what we need to do is we need to enable this load. So it will generate me a table in the front end. So click on this close apply. This target table will be generated. So what we can do is, if we go and see here, under table, there is a parameter which contains the value, which contains the parameter value as 50K. So the we can go to the variance calculation here, where we have that static value measure, right? We can delete that and type the uh, DAX as selected value, and pick that target column value here, parameter value here, and click this check tick mark. So once it is done, what we can do is we can go to home, first save this pbx file, go to home, publish it. I have already created a workspace here. Click on this workspace and publish this report there. Once it is done, you need to go to that workspace. You can see You can see the parameter, like I have saved the PBX name as parameter. So you can go to the semantic model, go to setting. You can find the parameter, like which we have created, right? Target. So you can find that one. So you can inform client, like if you can go to setting and you can go to parameter, just you can update the value whatever you have you required. So now we can make the changes as 1 lakh as a target and click on apply. So once it is done, what we can do is we can go to the workspace, just click on refresh manual. So automatically when we are going to the report here, the target value, here it is a static column value I have taken. So just remove that. And if we can see here, we have fixed the target as 1 lakh, right? So 1 lakh sales minus 1 lakh is minus 20, right? So this is what we can do it in an optimized way. So automatically whatever we are updating in the service level, it will reflect directly. So instead of going to the PBX file and updating there and publishing it, it will not be the optimized for way for the client to do it. So you can give them an approach like this is what the thing you can do it, instead of going and updating in a measure for each and every not only for this value, if they want to do it for the different static value, we can create a multiple static parameter there, and we can tell them like you can update here and it will directly reflect in the service level only. You don't want to go in a PBX level. So this approach we can inform them to resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video.